Guys, so today we'll be doing my take on chicken parmesan. These are all the ingredients that I use for it, and we'll start off with steaming the broccoli. Yes, I used frozen broccoli instead of fresh broccoli, but guess what? It's okay. It's still all gonna turn out really yummy as long as you do it right. And now I have my shrimp. All I have to do is season it up and get ready to cook it. With my chicken, I seasoned it to my liking, and guess what? You season it to your liking. Make sure you season every piece of that chicken, because guess what? You have to be the one to eat it, so make sure it's up to your liking. Once you season your chicken, your broccoli should be done and turn out like this. It should be soft but still have a little bit of crunch. And with my shrimp, I just added a little extra flair on the top. That's some seasoning that I like. Your chicken should turn out just like this, and guess what? When it looks like this, it's time for you to add the cheese and put it in the oven. Then it should come out like this, and guess what, guys? Voila, you are done. I did forget to record me doing my noodles and my asparagus, but that's okay. And yes, I did asparagus and broccoli because it was my first time trying asparagus, and just in case it wasn't good, I did want a green vegetable on the side. So guess what, guys? Always remember, have fun while cooking, and it's always okay to experiment while you're in the kitchen. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye.